Alright guys, George Floyd Parks After Dark. We are done at the Animal Kingdom and we are taking the tram back to the car. Why? It's August. It's hot. So come on, let's go take the ride.
Throughout our journey, there may be sudden starts or stops may occur. So if there's anything to follow, let me know here in the back of the tram. I'll be happy to retrieve that item for you. We are going to call for no further boarding. Please remain behind the yellow line. Again, for my friends just joining us throughout our journey, there may be sudden starts or stops. If there's anything to follow, let me know here in the back. I'll be happy to retrieve it for you. Friends on board, please remain seated. Sit back and relax. Driver, you are clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard. We have my driver up front, myself here in the back. We hope you had a wild time today at the Animal Kingdom. When you're leaving our parking lot today, the speed limit is 15 miles an hour. That's a 1-5. You'll follow the big white arrows on the ground. They'll take you to our one and only exit out of Animal Kingdom. If you're having any car troubles, go ahead and pop your hood, walk over to the tram lane where these little silver poles are. Wave down at parking, catch over in yellow or security, and we'll do our best to assist you. This is our first stop for Dinosaur. First stop for Dinosaur. You're going to exit on the driver's right-hand side. If you parked in the beginning rows of Peacock 104 to like 110, you can exit on the left. And our next stop will be in Giraffe farther down. Alright, if you parked in Dinosaur, you can exit now on the right. And if you parked in Peacock 104 to about 110, that's on the left if you'd like to exit. And our next stop will be in Giraffe. Driver, we are empty and clear for dispatch.